How often should you wash your hair? Maybe you have heard shampooing less often is better for your hair. Or perhaps you are thinking of ditching shampoo in search of healthier, better looking hair. Experts say there is no single answer to how often people should shampoo. It's fine to go a few days without shampooing. You may not need to do it as often as you think. It usually comes down to personal preference and requirement. Let's find out detailed answer. Keep watching this quick video till end. Let's start quickly. How shampoo works. Let's start with the basics. What does shampoo do? Hair produces natural oil called sebum, and shampoo is an emulsifier that captures and removes excess oil, dirt and product residues, which you then rinse out to clean the hair. So if you do it too frequently, you may dry your hair out, leaving it prone to breakage. For the most part, some dirt is okay and natural, and you definitely want some oils to remain in your hair, as they provide moisturizing and a protection barrier for the skin and hair. Who should shampoo daily? Only a small group needs to shampoo daily, like those with very fine hair, someone who exercises a lot and sweats, and someone living in very humid place. If you have very oily scalp, then daily washing is needed. Sometimes people think they have dry scalp because they have dandruff, but in those situations, more frequent washing is also helpful. Who can go a few days without washing? The thicker your hair and the less oil, the less you need to shampoo. Some people with dry hair or curly hair can wash much less frequently without problems. How much should you wash? For the average person, every other day or every 2 to 3 days without washing is generally fine. There is no strict recommendation. If hair is visibly oily, scalp is itching, and there is flaking due to dirt, those are the signs it's time to shampoo. How long is too long? If your hair is styled, you may be able to get away with going longer without lathering up. If you are doing a blowout or using heated styling tools on it, the most important thing experts tell people is to make sure your hair is super clean when you start. Hair will last longer, look better, and you will need to use those stressors less often overall. Regardless of how your hair feels, though, don't go longer than 14 days. From a medical perspective, some of patients only wash their hair once a week. As long as they don't have scalp problems, that seems okay. How often you wash your hair? Share your experiences and views in comments. We love to answer questions. This was all for now. Subscribe to our channel and do support with super thanks. Follow us on social media for updates. Thanks for watching.